I don't know what it is about cornhole, but anywhere we go, my kids have to play it. So I was thinking that this summer it would be really fun to have our own set to play at home. So I set out to make some sensory friendly cornhole beanbags. And I was inspired by the look of corn to create these. And as I was making them, I realized that, this is actually a really great beginner sewing project because it is a lot of straight lines. So this project is kind of doing double duty. It's something that you can make to keep kids busy, and it's also something you could use to teach kids how to sew. Even if you don't have a cornhole board, you could always use a bucket or anything else. It's really funny how long kids will stay entertained just tossing a really fun beanbag around. So these are the items that I will be using to make this project. Like I said, I wanted it to be sensory friendly, so I wanted to make it extra ultra soft. And I used batting to do that along with some really, really soft touching, soft feeling textiles like this kind of minky green fabric and then the yellow. So I started out by cutting everything into 7-inch squares, and then I cut up the batting into strips so I could help create this sort of corn illusion and also to make it easier to sew. So I'm just laying out those strips along there. And then next I will be putting the stick fusible interfacing on top of that. That is something that's going to help stick everything together. So I have cut that fusible interfacing into a 7-inch square. And then I also took some plain, very lightweight white fabric that I cut into a 7-inch square and then ironed it. And there you can see that is finished. Now for the back, once again, these are all 7-inch squares. I've got that lightweight white cotton fabric, a square of stick fusible interfacing, a square of batting, and then a square of the minky green fabric. And after I iron it with the iron set to the steam setting, everything is fused together. Now I can sew them. For the green part, I wanted to create the look of the husk or the leaves. So I just freestyled with my sewing machine curved lines back and forth across the fabric there. And then with the corn side, I just stitched along the lines and then I stitched across to create a kernel-like effect. Once everything has been stitched, I am going to place the green and the yellow with the right sides together and pin them together. I will be sewing around all of the edges, but then leaving at least a 2 to 3 inch opening on one side so that I can flip this inside out. You may have noticed I've trimmed off the excess batting there, and I've also clipped the corners so that it won't be so bulky once it's turned inside out. Once that is turned inside out, I'm going to poke those little corners out. And now I have this fun two-sided cornhole bag, yellow on the one side, green on the other. The batting makes this so, like, not super plush, but it just helps lend to that softness of the fabric and it keeps it from being like stiff and crunchy the way sometimes bean bags are. It gives this like, it feels like a weighted plush once I add these poly pellets in there. I don't know what it is about weighted things that are so soothing. Like I've really enjoyed just tossing these bean bags around and holding them. It was just relaxing for me. So what I did is added 2 cups of poly pellets to this. And I found the easiest, least messy way to do that is to use a large funnel, put it in the opening, and then add it 1 cup at a time. You could add more or less. I found that 2 cups was just right to give it the needed weight and to fill those bean bags up adequately. They pour into the bag really easily, and then I'm going to pin that opening shut and then do a ladder stitch to close it up. And that's it. It is all done. Like I said, this was just a lot of straight lines. The fabric just gives it a really beautiful texture. The batting makes it soft. The poly pellets give it just enough weight without being too heavy. And when you roll it up like this, look, it kind of looks like a little corn on the cob. So again, just a fun sensory beanbag that kids can play with all summer long, carry it around with them, toss it around the yard. You know what? If they hit each other with it, it's not going to hurt too much. Hopefully they won't do that, but kids will be kids. Have fun and have a great summer.